There are a number of ways to troubleshoot an iPhone that keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. Before anything, rule out these simple fixes. Check if your iPhone is in airplane mode. Make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on. Check that you're connected to the right Wi-Fi network with the right password. Install any available updates for iOS. If your phone isn't connecting to Wi-Fi properly, first try restarting your phone, and if that doesn't work, try restarting your router. If your phone is not connecting to the right network, tap on the network's name and then select Forget this network. Then, rejoin the correct network with its password. If this doesn't work, you can reset your iPhone's network settings for a fresh start. In the Settings app, go to General. Then, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. In the next tab, tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode to confirm the reset. Your iPhone will restart, but you won't lose any data or apps. If you've done all this, and your iPhone still can't keep a stable connection, it might be time to contact either your internet service provider or Apple support.